Good day to you, Ms. Marita. I'm Paul Benedict Calapine with my group mates Leonard Marsigan and Ivan Wilfred Reyes, here to present to you our project presentation for company overview and user requirements. For the executive summary, it consists of the necessary information about the documents and how should the company aim to improve operational efficiency and data management through the implementation of an integrated information system. For the system overview, the PC Workshop business specializes in repairing, maintaining, and upgrading personal computers operating in an industry driven by technological advancements and increasing demand for computer services. Requirement for each role: technician. Technical skills possess a strong understanding of computer hardware and software, including troubleshooting techniques for diagnosing issues. Certifications. Technicians may need certification or other relevant credentials. Problem-solving abilities. Ability to effectively identify and resolve hardware and software issues both independently and collaboratively. Continuous learning. Stay updated on the latest technological advancements, industry trends, and best practices in computer repair and maintenance.
Control, financial management proficiency in financial manage, bookkeeping skills, maintain records all the transaction, analytical skills, analyze financial data to identify trends. Sales representatives, product knowledge, understanding the products and service offers by the store. Customer service skills, providing exceptional customer service. Communication skills, can clearly communicate to the customer. Sales techniques, talent to the encourage customer. Inventory management, have a knowledge in monitoring. Prioritization of requirements, technician should have knowledge in computers and can effectively troubleshoot. Accountant, have a strong analytical skills and can make financial calculations. Representatives, possess excellent interpersonal skills and abilities to attract customers. Potential challenges and solutions. Challenge we think is staying updated to the technology. Solution we think is invest in training staff members and attending seminars. Another challenge is the availability of the components and parts. Solution is they need always to check their stock. Conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion: a PC workshop is very helpful for all of us in today's life so that they need to ensure the services offers and the quality of item. Recommendation: be transparent about pricing and services, avoiding hidden fees to build trust and credibility.
So here is our flowchart. Let's start. First, define requirements. This part defines what do we need in our project or system. Next is design data model. This part defines how data will be stored and organized. Next is design user interface. This involves creating visual layout and interactive elements. Next is develop back-end and front-end. This part is the creating the server-side and client-side part of the system. Next is we're going to test it. If it's not good, we're going to debug it, then repeat in testing. If it's good, then we'll proceed to deploying the system, monitoring, and collecting feedback. If the system is not in satisfaction, then we can fix or even iterate if needed. That's all. Thank you for watching.